Alright, I got this car that I wanted to show you. We are in Lumberton, Mount Holly area. And we scored an anime bag at the Goodwill, brand new. How much was it new?
Does anybody know this place?
How much was it brand new?
We don't know.
Doesn't say?
No.
$15. We don't know if that's a value or not. But we have this Fiero for sale. Let me turn it so I hope you guys don't get dizzy. So, it looks cool to me. Right? It looks cool to me. But it's still a Fiero. I mean, they painted up the dash to make it look trick. Sunroof car. I don't know if this car had a sunroof originally or not. I mean, my dad had an 84 Fiero that was a complete pile of crap that he had me keep on the road forever. And I finally told him to junk it because I didn't want to work on it anymore. So this is an 87 Fiero. I wonder if this is a V6 car.
Yeah, so right there, V6.
Oh, so this is the V6 car, which is the great engine, transmission, plenty of power. 50,000 miles, he wants 12.6 for it. I mean, it's kind of futuristic with the taillights and stuff. I mean, it's cool. It's not cool enough for me, though. I mean, maybe Caleb or Jude would drive one of these things. It's definitely got some vinyl issues going on. I mean, this is a lot of coin for a Fiero, even if it has 50,000 miles on it. Not really sure how I feel about this car. Tell me what you guys think. This is the frunk. Engine's in the back. Frunk.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. That's your frunk.